Omusilikale atiisizza okubaako ne kyakola ku bbanka ya ABSA gy'abadde atereka ssente then ne bazimumma. Kino kyazze kitya? Musajja wattu akunnyonnyola bulungi nnyo engeri gy'azze nga atereka ssente mu ABSA banka era nga obusungu bw'alina akakasizza nti asobola okwekola ekintu kwe kuvaayo okubeera nga asaba ku magezi oba waliyo omuntu asobola okubeera nga amulumirirwa amubuulire ki oba steps ki z'ayinza okubeera ng'akola obuteetuusaako bulabe sinakindi okubutuusa ku muntu omulala.
I just want to say this such that it goes direct to the Prudential Authority. What they are doing, I can't conclude it now, but it is a scam. It's not good. I went to the bank in Luomu Street, ABSA Bank, to open up a saving account, which is a fixed account. Remember, I had just joined the force. That was around 2022. I had served just for like 1 year. Then I decided to say, let me start a saving. That will help me tomorrow. I went to Luomu Street with my documents to the ABSA bank, which is there. I told the man who attended to me that, please, I want to start up a savings in the fixed account for a period of 5 years. That was August in 2022. This man who said, yeah, it's okay. Then I told him, what happens if I save, like I'm not saying 5 years, but what happens if I save, let's say for 5 months out of the 5 years? Yeah, you will get your money. You will get what you have saved. And that thing encouraged me. I said, yeah, I'm going to put this money. I told him, okay, I'm going to be saving 450,000. That was my salary. I'm going to be saving that money, 450,000 every month. I started saving that very day. This man will say, you are going to get some documents for your savings. After all that, they brought the saving, the document like after 3 days. The savings are already gone. They brought these things of credentials. Hey, sign here. Sign here. After signing, now I've been saving. I saved like for 10 months. That's around 4.5 million. And of course, after that, after saving that money for those 10 months, see, you can save like this month and you skip like 2 months, you save the next month, another time maybe when you can save also, let's say you save this month, save the next one, then you skip like 2 months like that. Kumbe, these people were counting the month I have not saved. Just of recent, they said I have not saved for 24 months. Now the policy has lapsed. The policy has lapsed. The policy has what? Has lapsed. Now it has cancelled automatically. I went to their office in Zebra Plaza. Some people who told me, the money you have saved, you are not going to get it. People, I am a human being, and I have feelings also. I don't know whether I got a loan from you, people prudentials, Why I did what? I just went to the bank. I didn't come to your place. Now, if Satan overtakes my brain and I do something bad, you people will say, we are bad. And yet you have taken my money. What do you want me to do? 4.5 million. The money, my hand money. I didn't corrupt anybody to get that money. That's my salary. And you have taken it. So what should I do? If you were on my shoes, what would you do? I have worked for 5 years. In 4 years in the force, that's a lot of money. 4.5 million. I would go and buy maybe some goods. I would go and put maybe some structure. But you are destroying already my career. You're already killing my career. It's like I've wasted time. So what should I do? What should I do? Any prudential, sound-minded person to come and attend to me, because I'm not happy. I'm not happy. That's my hard-hand money. I didn't do any kind of evil to get that money. So people prudentials do something. I need my money, 4.5 million. That's all.